Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are on the day 12th of our 21-day yoga challenge. Alright, so today we are going to practice a very simple sequence. I'll also be showing the variation for those who find difficult at certain postures. So before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon next to it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. If you have any doubts, if you want to contact for any of the doubts which you have during the practice, please drop a message on the Instagram. So let's get started. I hope that you are done with your warm up and certain number of Surya Namaskara. So the video and the sequence which I will be doing right now, you can make it lengthy in staying each posture for long. If not, you can cut down and you can stay for less count. So it's completely depend on you. How do you want to keep the sequence more intense or light? So let's get started. Stand straight, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, lift your both the hands up straight. Exhale by pushing your hip back, remember not forward, pushing your hip back and knee and ankle in a straight line. I am going to touch my both the fingers on the floor. From here I am able to see my toes very clearly. Lift your both the hands to the ears. Stay here for 3 breaths. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bend forward. Place your both the hands in front of your foot. Try to open up your shoulder. Look forward. Now just lift your one leg up. Balance, down. Another leg up, down. One more. Down, balance. Make sure that you have a good grip on your fingers. Down. From here, take your both the hands next to the foot and take your left leg back. Now, front knee 90 degree, fingers on the floor, back leg on tip of your toe. Firm, lift your both the hands up straight. Back knee tucked in. If you think balancing is difficult, you can drop your heels down and make it warrior one. If you can, be on your toe or else be in a complete warrior one where your heels are on the mat. Inhale, front leg 90 degree and get deeper down. Take a deep breath in and breath out. Now slowly get your hands next to the toe. Here try to drop your whole body weight down and then just lift your leg off the mat. See, front leg is still 90 bent. If you think it is okay for you to be here to balance, stay. If not, slowly lift your leg up, back leg. If you think this is difficult, always have an option. You're going to keep your hands down and just lift your leg how much ever you can. Keep your front knee bent. Only if you think you have a good balance, then try to lift your both the legs up. Front leg straight 90 degrees, say straight line. Hold. Exhale down, back leg on the floor. Take your leg back to full plank. You're going to relax your thigh a bit here. Drop your knee down. Chest in between both the palm. Toe pointing back. Slide up. Look up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Tuck your toe in. Slowly push your hip. Parvatasana. Look down to the stomach. Now from here you're going to get your left leg in between both the palm. As your back leg is on your toe, you have an option here. Either you can drop your heel down or you can hold, whichever is convenient to you. Leave all the body weight on the front thigh. Knee and ankle is in straight line. Lift your hand up. Back knee straight and tight. Breathe in, breathe out. If you can't focus, you won't have the balance. So make sure that you focus on your posture. Slowly drop your palm down. Here, if you want to get into warrior 3, you have an option. If you are completely beginner, if you're not able to handle yourself in the posture, then just lift your leg up, keep your front leg bent, try to kick your leg as high as possible. If you can, take it forward from here, lift your leg up, balance all the way, both the hands straight forward, kick your leg up. Exhale down, both the legs back. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, we can go down either in Ashtanga Namaskara, knee down, chest down, or you can try Chaduranga. Come up. Breathe in, breathe out. Take your all focus on your spine. And come to child posture. Here, my wrist and my shoulders in straight line. Now, let your right knee be wherever it is. Get your left toe exactly behind the right toe. Okay, and then now drop your left toe on the mat, just the way you practice in warrior 1, where you try to drop your heel down. Just drop your heel down where you have all the balance. From here, lift your left hand up, kind of balancing on your one hand. As your knee is on the floor, you should be able to stay here comfortably. Open up your chest. 3, 2, 1. Drop your palm down, knee down. Same thing goes the other side. Extend your left leg back. Drop your heel down. Open up your chest. 3. Extend your elbow up. Make sure that you have the focus. If no focus, you can't stay in for long. Drop your palm down. Once you come to this posture, stomach slightly engaged. Now lift your right hand up and the left leg up. You can feel a good stretch, or if you try to hold your tummy, you can feel your core engagement in this posture. Drop it down. Left leg up. Drop it down. Inhale up. Drop it down. Inhale up. Drop it down. One more time. Inhale up. Drop it down. And once again, drop it down. Drop your forehead. Slowly come to center. Be in Vajrasana. Keep your eyes closed for about 30 seconds. Just observe your whole body. Observe your thighs. Observe your spine. And just relax. So it was a very quick and a very small sequence for you to practice. Remember what I said, you can stay there for as long as you want, or you can to make it more intense, or you can also repeat the same sequence 2 to 3 times to feel it more, followed by the Surya Namaskara, and in the end make sure that you do a bit of Shavasana and meditation and pranayama. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. See you tomorrow.